you're looking for the place for snorkeling in Bali, yes, this is the good place for snorkeling. And the name of this snorkeling area is the BLEU Lagoon, located at Padang Bay. We have a toilet, shower, changing room, and you can use all the facilities we have here. And our pickup time is from 7 o'clock to 7:30. We must be here at 9 o'clock because we do this snorkeling at 9 o'clock, so better we do in the morning time. So we are not recommend you to do the snorkeling after 12 o'clock because the weather will be different, okay, in the morning time and in the afternoon time. The situation on this beach is different. So this is our boat, so we will use the private boat only for you. Nobody other people will join with you. So it's me, I am Agung. If you want to book your snorkeling with us, please contact me and you can message me any question. I will answer all any question you ask for me. And today we are in BLEU Lagoon. We have two customers from Germany. They want to do the snorkeling and they book through us for the snorkeling today. Guys, we inform to you for the snorkeling, the package of this snorkeling, you have a private boat, but for the guide you have to pay the extra charge for the guide, okay? If you want to do the snorkeling with a guide, you assist with the guide, and this guide you can ask him to do anything to help you to find the turtle, to find a good place for snorkeling here. So if you didn't book your guide, so you go only with the captain. So I'm here only because to make a video for my YouTube channel. So this snorkeling only for those of you as a beginner, okay? It's a very easy to do the snorkeling here, and because it's not so hard to do the snorkeling here. If you cannot swim, we provide you the life jacket, okay? But life jacket is enough for you. And the first spot we will do for the good. Dennis, hold that one. Yeah. The first spot we call Tanjung Jepun, so we expect to see the coral reef, the colorful of fishes, Nemos if you are lucky, also turtle, angelfish, parrotfish, butterfly fish. So many colorful of fishes you can see here because the sea here is not so deep, so you can see everything under the sea and very easy for you to do the snorkeling here. Guys, we inform to you, so many people do the snorkeling here because this place is very famous in Bali. To do the snorkeling here, you do not have to go far away from Bali.
Ya, selamat bersenang-senang ya. Sampai jumpa nanti lagi. Saya percaya.
Not only the foreigners do the snorkeling here, many local people. They are from Jakarta, also from Medan. They are doing the snorkeling here, not only for you, because this place is very interesting to do the snorkeling in Bali.
Nanti tak kirim videonya. Ya.
After the first spot of the snorkeling, we call the Tanjung Jepun, and then we will go to the next spot we call the BLEU Lagoon.
No problem. No problem.
Ya, eins problem. Eins problem.
No problem.
Ya.
Thank you. Wow, fantastico.
We inform to you in the BLEU Lagoon, the water just a little bit hard, okay, but everything is safe. On the side of this BLEU Lagoon snorkeling, there is the rock. You have to be careful because the rock is a little bit dangerous to you, so do not too close to the rock. But in here, you can see the Nemos, turtle, and many coral reef, and it's very beautiful. As you see, so many people doing the snorkeling in the BLEU Lagoon. So after 1 hour do snorkeling in the BLEU Lagoon, so it takes already 2 hours, and then this is the time to go back to the beach because the snorkeling is only for 2 hours. So guys, if you want to do the snorkeling with beautiful place in Bali, please call me, please contact me. I will pick up you from the hotel and then I will drive you here. Thank you.